Hi there, sorry. Didn't hear you coming in. Hi, welcome to the CodeWithChris channel. My name is Adrian. Today I'm going to be your host because Chris is busy making more videos for you. So, little updates regarding the channel. Because currently we are working on doing one video per week while we're working on the course on the side. What we want to do for the YouTube channel is bringing you more videos. It will be like 2 or 3 videos per week at least. And that's why I'm going to jump in to be in front of the camera a little bit too, then also behind. So what we want to do right now is to know what you guys are more interested in seeing. We already have a bunch of little topics on the to-do list, but we want to know more from what you are expecting from us. So we want to do a live little Q&A. And so for this, you can jump into Twitter and send us a tweet with the hashtag #AskCodeWithChris. And we're going to take a week to take a look at all the questions you have. We're going to go live on YouTube or Facebook, and we're going to answer all of your questions right there, and we're going to work on some videos, some topics that you guys are interested to see. So if you have any question regarding the course, iOS, Swift, please send us a tweet with the #AskCodeWithChris hashtag, and we're going to be working on more content for you weekly. So at least 2 or 3 videos. That would be great, because we want to connect with you guys more often. As you have seen, I've been pretty busy answering you back on the YouTube comments and also on the Facebook page and by email. So we want to make sure that you guys do not lose time when you want to learn iOS, and that we can get all the help you need to get started as soon as possible. Especially with the new iPhone coming out in a couple of weeks, more people are going to buy phones, so it's time to put some apps on the App Store. So we will see you soon.
Hey, did you join my free Facebook community yet? That's where I hang out along with a ton of other people learning iOS just like yourself. I also post early access to all of my videos inside that group before I put them on YouTube. You can also get help with any questions you're having. Visit the link below, click on the join group button, and I'll approve your request right away. Alright, so I'll see you in there. Talk soon.
Oh, hello there. Sorry, I didn't see you coming. Welcome to the CodeWithChris channel. Sorry, this is not Chris today, it's only Adrian. Oh, who's that guy? This is not my thing, this is why I stay behind the computer.